This is Dr. Shiella Tikku speaking about acids and bases for class 2nd year. Introduction. The word acid stands for sour. On this basis, such substances which showed some characteristic properties are termed as acids, and which are salt like they are alkaline and they are bases. Acid base theories. A number of theories have been suggested to explain the characteristics of acids and bases, but a close scrutiny of so called theories indicates that these are different acids and bases theories. Classical theories. In the last time acids and bases theories, it was that the acids turns blue litmus red and the bases turn red litmus blue. This was the theory which was produced in 1775, a very long back theory. Then we had Arrhenius theory. In the early development and stage of chemistry, Arrhenius produced acid-base theory for electrolytes. For example, a salt dissociates into a cation and the anion. The cation is positively charged and the anion is negatively charged. The cation is acid and the anion is base. The atom which loses electrons is acid and which accepts electrons is base. Arrhenius suggested that acids are the substances which give hydrogen ion in dissolved water, for example HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, and the bases are which accept hydrogen ion in water. And there are some acids which are weak, such as acetic acid and phosphoric acid. Bases are the substance which when dissolved in water give hydroxyl ion. Such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and so on. Thus, according to Arrhenius, they neutralize when acid and base both react. Defects. According to Arrhenius theory, the aqueous solution of a substance will be acid-base neutralization. Many substances which do not furnish hydrogen ions in water would be included in the category of acid and the base will be something else. A number of salts like aluminum chloride, boron trifluoride are also accepted as acids. Bronsted and Lowry theory. According to the Bronsted and Lowry theory, acid is a substance which has a tendency to donate proton to other species, and base is the substance which accepts proton from other species. This is the theory based on protons such as HCl, ammonia. HCl becomes hydronium ion and ammonia becomes ammonium ion. And in the bases, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Conjugate acid base pair. When acid and base combine together, they form a neutralized compound, and this neutralized compound is known as conjugate base. This conjugate base produces a neutralized compound and it also produces a neutralized structure. Such type of neutralized structure has first bases and second bases. First bases are water molecule and the second basis is ammonia, which produces the strength of the compound. Lastly, we have the table which gives us conjugate acid base pairs on the basis of Bronsted and Lowry theory. such as HCl plus water gives Cl plus H2O, sulfuric acid plus water gives HSO4 plus H3O plus, and so on.